Hello, I'm back again with yet another video on this iconic look by our queen, the one and only Lady Gaga, for her latest single, Stupid Love. So let's get right into it. Just to get us going, I have the base already done. So first of all, I start with this pink shade from the James Charles palette. It is very bright. I was not expecting that, as you can see. It's super beautiful. Start by applying it generally all over the lid with like a flat, thicker brush, and sort of use it in an angle to angle it upwards in the shape that you want, as you can see here. Then using a fluffy brush, you just kind of diffuse the edges and drag it out a little more, just applying very little bit of product each time. Then taking the same thick, flat brush, just continue the pink eyeshadow under your eyes and sort of connect it with the outer corners. Then using a smaller, flatter brush, you're going to mix a bit of the same pink and quite a lot of the black, and sort of starting mapping out the wing shape with it, as you can see here. You want to create this sort of like false crease look, kind of above your own natural crease, in this very sharp, smoky type shape. And keep blending it in. Create a sort of ombre with like mixing a bit of the black and the pink together, and sort of just like fill in that outer space first. Then we're gonna continue with some white cream, putting it in our waterline and sort of in the inner corner of the eye, just kind of like dragging it out, creating the illusion of a more sort of slanted, sort of sharp, open eye. And then as you can see here, I'm just kind of bringing it up into the lid space, just so we can like open it up a little more. Then go back with some pink eyeshadow and correct the little boo-boos that you may have made. Make it a little sharper and cleaner. Then the eyebrows, it's pretty simple. Just use some cream paint. Trace out the shape and then fill in the blanks basically, and then just darken with some eyeshadow, which also makes it darker but also sets it. Then using some weave bond, which is what I use for my lash glue, I have chosen to apply the pieces that I made out of sort of a holographic pink paper that I found at a craft store. By this point, I got super excited, and you can tell I start making a lot of faces to the camera to myself. But it's super exciting. Like this part really brings the whole look together. Those were such a pain, but just keep on trying. You will persevere. And also a tip for you all: try to use a clear glue next time, or maybe some spirit gum, because the black just kind of got everywhere and I had to do a lot of corrections. Then for the lips, I don't really wear a lot of pink, so I didn't have a pink lipstick, so I just used the pink from the Flash color palette, but it was the perfect fuchsia pink color for this look. And then I'll show you a little old school trick that you can do to mattify it. You just basically take a little bit of toilet paper or tissue paper and then just dab some powder over top, and yeah, then go on, put some shimmer on. Then we continue with the little heart lashes, and this is almost the whole look complete. I'm gonna go change it to the costume, and I will show you the final product real soon. Thanks so much for watching.